certified in practical scaled agile framework, or in short the CIPSA framework. In this video we'll have a brief understanding with respect to CIPSA Scrum framework. CIPSA Scrum framework is all about Scrum at scale. I am Satyanarayan Das. I am CIPSA certified. As you can see, we have a product backlog which is a single one, and it goes through cross-team backlog refinement. Once it is refined, the product backlog with the product goal will be presented by the chief product owner to the CIPSA team in the CIPSA sprint planning meeting. By CIPSA team, I mean a combination of individual Scrum teams. So we have, say, 3 Scrum teams: Team A, Team B, Team C. Combined together, it will be called as the CIPSA team. Now in this meeting, the teams are going to decide what are the items they can take and deliver in the upcoming sprint. For example, let us say we are in sprint 1. So team A will decide what are the items that can be delivered in sprint 1. Team B also in sprint 1, and they are going to decide what are the items delivered by team B. Similarly for team C. Immediately after the CIPSA sprint planning meeting, we have individual team sprint planning meeting. In this meeting, these items taken by individual teams will be further broken down into individual tasks. So you can also say the CIPSA sprint backlog is a combination or sum of individual team sprint backlogs. So you can also say that the teams are individually sprinting, like Team A in sprint 1, Team B in sprint 1, Team C in sprint 1. As a whole, the CIPSA sprint backlog is also going to be delivered at the end of the sprint 1. Because we are talking of Scrum at scale, our focus is not with respect to individual team increments. Rather, it is an integrated increment. And that integrated increment is called as CIPSA integrated increment, and it is given at the end of the sprint. Once the increment is available, it will be demonstrated in the CIPSA sprint review meeting, which is another event for Scrum at scale. And it will be followed with CIPSA sprint retrospective, which is another event for Scrum at scale. Similarly, we also have CIPSA daily Scrum, where the needed representatives of the individual Scrum teams will participate daily. It will be preceded by team daily Scrums, which is very specific to individual Scrum teams. As we proceed with respect to the article, we'll see how Microsoft Project Agile can be used to segregate with respect to the teams, to have the sprints being associated and synchronized, and finally being delivered to the end customer or the user.